Hi guys, it's Steven. So the weather is so wet today. It's been raining all day and I don't think it's going to stop, and neither are we. So today I'm going to show you some easy push-up variations you can do. So the first one is normal push-up, okay? So the normal push-up goes like 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay. And the next one you can do is wide arm push-ups. So place your hands wider than the normal. Okay. And the next one is triangular or diamond push-up, okay? So this mostly targets your triceps. Okay. And the next one we're going to do is pseudo planche push-up. So you're going to keep your hands inverted, okay? Say in this position. And then we're going to do push-ups. So guys, the next push-up we're going to do is decline push-up. Okay, so you could use a table or a chair or a wall like this. Okay. And the next push-up we're going to do is Pike push-up, okay? So keep your body in a triangular position and then do push-ups. And the next push-up is Spider-Man push-up, okay? We all love Spider-Man pose, right? So it's the same exact thing. So while doing the push-up, bring your knee closer to your elbows and then get them back. So do the same with the other leg. So guys, the next push-up we're going to do is Orchard push-up. So for this, place your hands wider, just as in the wide arm push-up, and then lean on to one side. And then get back. So do the same with the other side. Okay. So guys, the next push-up we're going to do is shoulder tap push-up. Okay. So go down, and when you come back up, tap your shoulder. So go down, and with the other hand tap your shoulder. So guys, the next push-up we're going to do is we're going to do the push-up hold, okay? So go down as slow as you can, okay? You can actually feel your body shivering. So go down as slow as possible. And then try to hold it here for a few seconds. And then slowly get back. Get back up. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you have any doubts, please drop a comment. So if you haven't subscribed, press the subscribe button and keep you updated. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.